Robocalls and pop-ups, phishing and malware, fraud comes in many forms, but all have the same goal: to get your money. Here are some tips to help you recognize and avoid common scams. Generally, fraudsters try to steal your information via pop-ups and malware designed to infiltrate your computer. Avoid these by steering clear of questionable websites and always watch where you click. Also, be sure to have an antivirus software to protect your computer. Scammers may also try to access your information using spam calls, often claiming to be from the IRS, a utility company, or another organization. They'll rattle off public information like your name or address, trying to get you to fill in the blanks with more sensitive details. Hang up immediately and contact the company directly. Scammers may also try to steal personal information like usernames and passwords through a technique called phishing. They create emails that look like they're from legitimate organizations. These emails often link to websites that request you to log in, capturing your credentials. Never respond to inquiries for personal information, and like with calls, contact the company directly. Scammers may even go as far as using fake dating profiles to build a relationship with you and gain your trust before eventually asking for money. Never send money to someone you haven't met in person. For more information or updates on the latest scams, visit the account security page of FCU's website. Florida Credit Union, member-owned, community-proud since 1954.